Chapter 4, Example 3. Imagine we were to examine data for the number of inches of snowfall in December in Bismarck, North Dakota for the past 100 years. What information could we learn from looking at a histogram that would be difficult to see in a time plot? What information could we see in a time plot that would not show up in a histogram? So a time plot would show us from year to year. A histogram would show us by inches of snowfall. So if there was 10 years that had 30 inches of snowfall, we would see that. We wouldn't know what 10 years they are, but we would know there were 10 years that had 30 inches of snowfall. A histogram of the distribution of snowfall would show us the shape, center spread, and unusual features of the distribution of snowfall. We would be able to see the average snowfall and variation of the snowfalls over the 100 years. A time plot provides none of this information, but allows us to see trends over the 100-year period. We could see whether snowfall has increased, decreased, or stayed the same over this time period. So a time plot allows us to see the trends over time. It won't say the average temperature was this, the median was this, but it can show us if temperature has risen, if the average snowfall has increased over the past 100 years, has decreased. Maybe it will show us if there was a decade where it was lower than average or higher than average. So it can show us the trends of the snowfall.